Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, March the 24th, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. We have a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had an outside day in bar chart terms, and prior to that an inside day in bar chart terms. Both of those days created some indecision in the market and did raise some doubt about the continuation of the trend to the upside in that first time frame. Just looking at the previous candlesticks as well, on the day before yesterday's trading we had a possible bearish harami pattern which was not confirmed, and yesterday we also had a possible bearish tweezers top pattern which once again was not confirmed. With all of these patterns we require confirmation, and confirmation in these situations when you have an uptrend would be a candle with a lower high and a lower low which changes the trend. So all these patterns do is highlight us to the fact that there is a probability that there could be a change of trend, but confirmation is very important, and that's why the low of the previous candle was very important. Now the market didn't trade anywhere near there and traded in a very bullish manner for most of the day. Now the market did take out the 1300 area of resistance, and that could be quite significant for this market. It's a round number and has held as a very solid area of support and resistance quite recently in these previous three candles. So a bullish breakout up above that is a very, very bullish sign that the market has built some good momentum. We also have a breakout up above the top of the cloud, and that's a bullish signal with Ichimoku charts, and it's a good bullish breakout. We have a bullish candle where the buyers have closed in control and they've shown some commitment to taking this market higher. So that's a buy signal with Ichimoku charts. Few areas of concern, however, for the market, if it is going to appreciate further, is that there's some resistance close by at 1313. And we can see here previously, just not too long ago, it was an area of support, and then within this triangle it was an area of resistance. Now, the market will need to trade up above there once again to test higher levels. Now, higher levels, we do have some resistance up around the 1324 region extending up to 1332, and there was good downside price rejection as the market was trading up within the symmetrical triangle before. So all the way up to 1332 could offer itself as decent resistance to this market. And then above there, good solid resistance at that major swing high at the start of the triangle at 1344. If the market trades up above there in a bullish way, there isn't any decent resistance until we trade up to around 1363. But the market won't be interacting with that area within the next few days anyway. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading up above the cloud, so the market now has an overall positive bias. We had the bullish breakout up above the cloud, so that's a good sign for this market and its build of momentum over the last week or so. The market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and that means that the market's bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frames. Now, we haven't had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen yet, so a crossover up above there would be another bullish signal, but we haven't had that confirmation, so there is a little bit of doubt about the momentum that the market's built until we have that crossover. Just looking at the Chikou span too, we have that trading down below the corresponding price action, so that fails to confirm the bullishness in this market at the moment. So there are some indicators that are giving us some reason to doubt whether this market will continue to the upside. Looking at the Tenkan-sen, however, that has started pointing up, and it's been a while since that Tenkan-sen has been pointing up, and that's reflecting the momentum that's starting to build in the market. So that could be a good sign that the market is going to go on with this move. But certainly we do need to watch 1313, very important. To the downside, 1300 once again, a big area. Watch it for support if the market does come off, and watch the high and the lows of the current candle.